Shout out to Mark Rebele and these fucking glasses and this robe for fucking $1. I can't stand the rain against my window, bringing back the sweet memory. You can accomplish any of the goals you imagine. The parallels into my future. Vision, excel. It's the paradigm with me. Think will not win. A window pane, do you remember how sweet it used to be? Forgive the win. The DEA bin. Everything was so grand. Now that we parted. Regards, Walter. There's one sound that I just can't stand, and I can't fucking stand. I can't stand. Right. Torture as a death grows closer as I begin my departure into eternal light inside memories for every right that was violated, degraded, and downgraded. Myself meet the next free-falling biggie-woogie motherfucker. To be a sucker, to never back down to motherfucker Charlie Talking Code WDJ. When we just memories are ever stay, will lay yours to sleep me where the light is. And comfort my seclusion into darkness and confusion. Remember, dark. Where did it go? Now that we forgot us, remember, there's just one thing and beautiful flowers that I just can't stand. Pictures of mamas that are transformed like baby hugging dust against my window. You're never gonna be alone. Call me on the phone, can't get a tone. Forget the zone. I can see in the rain. 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 Nope. Ain't gonna get them call for me. Feels 24-hour games in the rain. Intensifying. Insane. And the rain. Pain. Gets my window. My fucking brain. Bringing back sweet memories. Take a hug it. LM Price, my bestie. LPI, blue sky cry. New rose tinted glass and upper echelon class. Spanish Harlem into entrepreneurial. Start when we're the wisdom, the vision into the prism, dimensional mind, accelerating time to carrying mind, fractally blind, can't find anything into sadness and madness, pick to the scabs, the skin, sag, and grass. Stand, I can stand my life of you. Oh, the fucking jewelry and the can't is thrilled and the lemon in the little bubble. I can't stand the pharmacy, send them to me. A regimen of control over my soul. My big hogging soul. And they can deal with over and over. Now flowers rain, hey, 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 with a bubble. Take them as they come here with me. And I can stand the rain against my window, bring sweet back, sweet memory. Bubble. It's Mark Rebele, give me a shout out to this fucking song because I don't know what I'm doing. I'm trying to talk to you, and you. Hey, guys.